In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the meeting scheduler in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, professional scheduling link that's easy to share with your team and your contacts. Start on your HubSpot homepage. From here, open the main navigation and select More to reveal additional tools. Choose Sales, and then open Meeting Scheduler. This is your hub for creating and managing scheduling links that sync with your connected calendar and availability. Click Create Scheduling Page to start a new link. Right away, you'll choose the type of meeting link you want. Personal assigns meetings to a single owner, perfect for one-to-one bookings. Group lets multiple teammates appear as hosts on the same booking page. Useful for panel calls or joint demos. Round Robin automatically assigns bookings across a team based on availability. Ideal for distributing inbound meetings fairly. Once you've picked the type, enter an internal name. This isn't public, it's how your team will recognize the link in HubSpot. Use a clear naming convention like Discovery Call 30M North America, so it's easy to find later. Next, add the meeting title and a short description that explains the purpose and what attendees should prepare. This text appears on the booking page and sets expectations. Choose the meeting location as well. You can direct people to a physical location, a phone call, or a video conference link. If you use a conferencing integration, select that option so the join details are generated automatically. Move to the Scheduling tab by clicking Next, then open the scheduling page to review the details. Confirm the duration options, your available days and times, and any buffer you want between meetings. Make sure the time zone is correct and that the booking window aligns with how far in advance you want to accept meetings. A quick review here prevents double booking and avoids early morning or late night surprises for your attendees. When everything looks good, return to the meetings list and click Copy Share Link. Then click Copy to place the link on your clipboard so you can drop it into an email, a chat message, or your email signature. It's a good idea to paste the link into a new browser tab to preview the page and ensure it reflects your title, description, and location correctly. When you're done, click Return to Home. Your scheduling link is now live, organized for your team, and ready to share. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.